Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for calling Monday Hotel. This is Harry. How may I assist you?
Hello, good afternoon. I would like to have a room reservation, please.
Yes, ma'am. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Chrissy Padrones.
Spell out the name for the confirmation.
Letter C, H-R-I-S-T-I-E, P-A-D-R-O-N-E-S.
How about your address, email, and contact number?
Just wait for a while. My address is NHA Maa. The email will be padranas19@gmail.com. And the contact number will be 095416792269. One person,
Good for how many days?
and 1 day.
May I know the date and time for your arrival, ma'am?
The date will be December 25, 2025 at 3 p.m.
What type of room, ma'am?
What type of room po?
Okay, ma'am. I will check the availability board to see what room is available. Upon checking, we have deluxe room worth of 1,500 and suite room worth of 3,000 and matrimonial worth of 3,200.
I would like to have the deluxe room.
Would you like a hotel limousine to pick up you at the airport?
No sir. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. How will you settle your account?
Credit card. Yes po, credit card.
Okay, did you have any request?
No.
Okay, ma'am. I will repeat all the details. Your name is Christy Padrones and your address is Anichima. Your email is padrones19@gmail.com. Your contact number is 0954 1679 269. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes po. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. The confirmation number will be sent to your email account. If you have a concern, please contact the in-charge person in the email. Thank you for choosing the Monday Hotel. See you on December 25 at 1 p.m. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Welcome to Monday Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hello, good afternoon. I have my reservation here.
Okay, ma'am. Wait for a while. Ma'am, can I have your name, confirmation number, and valid ID?
Christy Padrones. The confirmation number will be 12345. And here is my valid ID.
Okay, ma'am. The room is under the name of Christy Padrones. You serve a deluxe room, and you said that you will pay it on credit card.
I will pay it in credit card.
By the way, ma'am, would you like to avail the club membership?
No, thank you.
Okay, ma'am, I received credit card. Please sign the reservation form and wait for a while, ma'am. I will process your registration. Okay, ma'am. Here's your ID, the receipt, and the green card key. Your room is located at the third floor at the right side of the lobby. And we have the elevator at the right side of the restaurant. Would you like me to call a butler to assist you in your room?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. This is Harry. He will assist you in your room. Thank you for choosing the Monday Hotel. Hope you enjoy and have a nice day. Ma'am, my name is Harry. I'm your butler. I'll be the one to assist you in your luggage. Is this your luggage?
Yes.
Is there any breakable item inside?
No?
Okay, ma'am. Would you like now to go to your room?
Yes, please.
This way, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, is this your first time in Davao City? It is a travel or conference?
It's not my first time. It is a conference.
Okay, ma'am. Since you cannot visit outside Davao, please try to visit the Casa Restaurant on the second floor. They offer different delicacies. We have also a swimming pool on the first floor of the hotel, open from 5 a.m. to 11 midnight. If you are bored, experience the Rojas Night Market, open from 6 p.m. to 11 midnight. Okay, ma'am, we are now on the third floor, which is your room located. After you. Would you like me to unpack your luggage?
No, please.
Ma'am, where would you like me to put your luggage?
Just put it in here. Thank you.
By the way, ma'am, would you like me to open the curtain so that we'll see the view of the city?
No, thank you.
Ma'am, by the way, this is your room, ma'am. This remote control is for the television. Just press the red button for the power, and this remote control is for the air conditioning. If you want to adjust the temperature, just press this arrow. We have also a cabinet for your luggage, a safety deposit for your valuable item. You have also a comfort room with a hot and cold water. We have a menu card at the table and telephone and telephone directory. If you have a concern, just press 1 for the front office department and press 2 for the housekeeping department and press 3 for the F&B department. Do you have any request, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, I'm done. Do you have any request?
No, thank
If you don't have any request, ma'am, thank you for choosing our hotel. Hope you enjoy and have a nice day.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. This is front desk. How may I assist you?
This is Christy, room 123. I would like to check out.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like me to send a porter to assist you?
Yes, please.
Wait. Ma'am, wait for 5 minutes for the porter. Thank you. Hello, good morning. This is Harry, front desk. Is this Miss Padrones?
Yes.
Ma'am, I would like to inform you that your checkout is today, 1 p.m. Would you like to extend to another day?
No, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like me to send a porter for your luggage?
Yes, please.
Please wait 5 minutes for the porter. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. I am your butler. I'll be the one to assist you with your luggage. Ma'am, is this your luggage?
Yes.
Ma'am, did you check already the cabinet if there are things like inside? Please allow me to double check.
No, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. This way. Good morning, ma'am. How may I assist you?
Hello, good morning. I would like to check out.
Can I have your name and the green card key, ma'am?
Christy Padranas, and here is the green card.
Ma'am, please wait for a while, ma'am, to process your checkout. Okay, ma'am, you don't have any charges. Please affix your signature here. And thank you for staying in our hotel. Hope you enjoy. And see you on your next visit.
Thank you.
Are you done processing your checkout, ma'am?
Yes.
Would you like me to call a cab?
Yes, please.
Your luggage is in your compartment. Thank you for staying with us. Have flight.